Hey guys, my name is Yash and I'm the founder of CodeReal. In this video, we're going to be talking about what is programming and we're going to be helping you start your coding journey. At CodeReal, we teach everyone to code for real. So let's get you started. The question is, what is programming? So let's talk about something we all do every day. We talk to friends and family. We talk to these people in a humanly spoken language that they understand. Sometimes we might even give someone instructions like, please get me some water, or make sure that the project is done by tomorrow. So the basic thing for this instruction to be followed would be for the person to understand the language that you're speaking in. So if a person understands only English and you speak to them in Spanish, they're really never going to understand you or do what you say. So they won't be able to follow your instructions unless you're speaking in a language that they understand. Just like that, programming is about talking to a computer and giving it instructions in its own language that it can understand, so that the computer does exactly what you wanted it to do. So if the computer understands you, it's going to understand the instructions that you give it and it's going to do what you ask it to. Moving ahead, there are over 9,000 programming languages in the world. And some really popular programming languages are Python, Java, C, C++, JavaScript. And these are extensively used in many popular applications that you use on a day-to-day basis. Since we have so many programming languages, we use different groups of languages for different types of applications like web apps, mobile apps, artificial intelligence, and a lot more. So the point is that you can't just learn one programming language. You obviously start with learning one programming language, but then as you grow in the field of programming, you learn many different types of programming languages, which you then group together to build one whole complete app or game or a model. Moving ahead, what you need to know is that you don't need to worry about programming or how complex it is, because it isn't complicated at all. You need to learn programming languages just like you learn any other humanly spoken language. And this is because it's a language after all. You're just talking to a computer instead of a human. So you're just going to learn it like the ABCs that you learned in English. Finally, the only difference is that you will talk to a computer in this language and not a human. So this language that you're going to learn in is going to help you effectively communicate with the computer, give it instructions, and make it do what you're going to ask it to do. So that is all about programming. Alright, so in this video, we've learned about what is programming, and in the next one, we're going to be talking about what are variables and also about how to set up our Python programming environment on our computers. Until then, make sure you drop a like, a comment, share this video, as well as subscribe to our channel, that is 5 Minutes Coding by CodeReal, where we post coding videos that are all under 5 minutes. And I'll see you in the next one.